Chanel and I'm back with another video. And if you're new here, please like, comment, and subscribe and join the family, sis. And if you're old here, hey sis. So today we're going to be talking about what they didn't tell you about starting a business. And I have my notes. So let's get into it. What I first wrote down is how to start your foundation off the ground. So that being said, you want to make sure you know what you want to do in your business, like your business name, your business plan, um, your theme colors, what you want to sell, and get ready for inventory. Second thing I wrote, do not look at other success because you're going to feel down and maybe not want to open your business. What I mean by that, if you go on YouTube and you type in how to make lip gloss and the person is telling you, oh, I've been in lip gloss business for 4 years and I'm a successful lip gloss guru maker, and once you see how easy they told you how to become, like you watch their videos over and over and over and you got very attached to the YouTuber, you're gonna start want to feel like you want to be like them, you want to be up there with them. But what I'm saying is, don't don't put your doubts on them, uh, or don't make their doubts on you, kind of thing. Next thing I wrote was do a business plan. Plan out your business. So what kind of said in the first one? So yeah, when you go on Google and you type in business plans and you see all the business plans, certain ones, just pick one and just look how they did theirs and you put your own into it. You get what I'm saying? Don't worry about LLC until you start making more money. That will cover you and your business. So when you first start off, you're a sole partnership. So that means your own self. When you get your LLCs, that is where you are making thousands, or when I say thousands, I mean six figures, and you need to protect yourself in your business. So the LLC is protecting you and your business. So when somebody wants to be so evil and want to sue you for no reason and your products did not do nothing to them, you have protection. You feel what I'm saying? Let's protect ourselves, because people out here are coming for a small business and they don't go to the large business. They don't go to Forever 21 and want to sue them, or they don't want to go to Kylie Jenner's lip gloss line and sue her. They don't want to do that. So next thing I wrote is, yes, starting a business is what you make it. If you make it hard, it is going to be hard. If you make it easy, it's going to be easy. So what I mean by that is, if you go into this lip gloss, lash, cosmetic, body care, skincare, and you going in for the wrong reason, that's gonna fall on you because it's gonna catch up to you in the long run. But if you go in with your passion, like you really want to do it, then hey, it's gonna be easy because this is something you love doing. So I love what I'm doing. I love to make things, like I love baking, but also when I first started my business, I was starting selling clothes, and that's something that I always want to do. I want to sell my own clothes, um, and I want to sell my own lip gloss line. So eventually, when I did my clothing all wrong, I had to step out and rethink over and rethink what else I want to sell. So when I said I love making lip gloss because I want my own lip gloss line, I first bought my own lip gloss kit to try it out, see if I like it. I fell in love with my lip gloss, but that's another storytelling. But yeah, don't invite nobody who is going to hate on your business in your business circle. So what I mean by that, that's why I said it's another story, because what I was just saying was kind of the person who ruined that chance for me really starting my business during COVID, at the time where I was ready. Like, I had everything. I had like my dream job. I had like my business. I had like the labels and the lip. I made the lip gloss already. I was just having it, and that person messed it up for me. So it's another story. Um, do you feel how you want your layout of your business? So do you. Don't worry about what they said, how they made it, and that. Don't worry about that because that's not you. You have to make it. You have to make your own story. You have to make your own foundation to build up. You don't. You can't worry about anybody else's foundation because their foundation is already built. They're just continue building it. You got to build your foundation. You got to build. Okay? So just do you and have a business layout. So I hope this helps. If y'all want more of this, please tell me in the comments. And please like, comment, and subscribe to my videos. Thanks for watching. Bye, sis.